Welcome back to the Normalized 2012 YouTube channel. So I'm going to style my hair in some two-strand twists. I'm going to be using Taji's green smoothie line, and this is their hair dress. And I'm also going to be using their healthy scalp oil. If you saw my previous video, I'll show you the packaging, but the packaging was really nice. Their logo is rock what nature gave you naturally, and like I mentioned in the previous video, I'm already doing that. I already rock my natural hair. Oh, I really love this story. So on their product it says, going natural was not just learning about my hair. It also led me to learning what I was putting on my hair and scalp. This inspired me to create nature's Taji. Taji means crown. What better way to take care of this crown than to rock what nature gave you naturally? I like that. And that is listed on all the product bottles. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be starting on freshly washed hair, and I'll show you that in the next clip. So the hair dress is very thick. It's not going anywhere, so perfect for twist. And so this has shea butter, mango butter, castor oil, wheatgrass, watercress, aloe vera, argan oil, fenugreek, grapeseed oil, hibiscus, lavender for scent. It has a lot of, I just named some of it. It has a lot of natural ingredients in here. I applied this product to my damp hair and I just worked it in really well. A little really does go a long way, so I was heavy-handed with the product, but it applies to my hair really well when it's damp, which is what it suggests on the bottle, is to work it in with damp hair. The directions don't say to seal this in with this oil, but out of habit I went ahead and did it. But as I went through my whole head, I really did not need to seal my hair in with any oils, because the hair dress had enough oil in it, especially with the castor oil, which is pretty heavy. And so I only put in the oil on the ends of my hair for this particular section, and for the rest of my head I just only used the hair dress for my styling. And as you can see, like, my hair is pretty defined. It's easy to detangle with this product, and so I was really pleased. And matter of fact, I actually really love this product, and I will be using this product in the future for the rest of my twists that I will be doing. I repeated the process all over my head with just twisting with the hair dress and applying the oil to my roots and massaging it in. With these twists, by the way, I just grabbed and go. It was supposed to be small twists, and at the back they were pretty they were small, but the sections aren't small, but when I twisted they're small. But in the front I ended up doing mini twists, and you'll see that later. That's just out of habit. For some reason I just started twisting smaller. And so I do want to mention that with this product, as you can see, once you mix it in with your hands, it turns into oil, which is why I did not apply any additional oil to my hair. This was definitely sufficient. And if you remember in my past videos about castor oil, about it staining your clothes, just be careful with the amount of product you use. Like I said, I was definitely heavy-handed with the product, and you really did not need a whole lot of this product. And so later on you will see a stain on my shirt, but I believe that if you do not use as much product as I use, that you should be okay and let your hair fully dry in a scarf. So this product is good for weighing down your hair. If you want your twist to lay down and be weighed down and have elongated twists, this product is really good for that. And so I'm going to show you later on how I keep my twist elongated as it's drying while I'm doing my hair, styling my hair. But this product, because it is a cream, it is a heavy cream, and so like I said, a little goes a long way. It will weigh your hair down, but these are all things that I like in a product, so this is right up my alley. And like I said, I will be using this product again. I really love this product overall. It was not a heavy scent or anything with the smell of the product. The oil had a peppermint scent, because it does have peppermint oil in it, so it did have like the peppermint scent like other products has. But like I said, I really was pleased with this particular product, and I really love it. And I hope that you guys try this product and see how well it works for your hair. So I'm just going to let you enjoy watching the video of me twisting my hair, and I will come back towards the end. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna stop playing with my hair. As you can see, I really like my hair. I really enjoyed how the products worked in my hair, and I definitely will be using it again in the future. So I'm gonna stop playing around, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.